Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a Sumo Cat from Paws of Fury, the Legend of Hank. Okay, it's going to be step by step, completely for beginners. So let's get started, all right? We're going to draw the side of his face right there, as we kind of did already. Line down here for the other side of his face. I'm going to pull up over here, top of the head, down over here. Okay, and then I'm gonna curve back. I'm gonna go over here to the ears, and I'm gonna draw a triangle on one side, over on this side, triangle on the other. Okay, so keeping it steady there. I'm gonna draw a curved line here for kind of a small bump right there, and it's going to be the back of his hair that's tied up. And then over here, curve. Line over here. Okay. Let's go to his face. Okay, right on his face right there. It's going to be a curved line here for the mouth area, and it's going to be kind of long, like an egg. Wiggly line there for the mouth. Line over here for the nose, and I'm going to pull a straight line down the middle. Okay. Going to go right here, and we're going to draw a thick line over here for the brows, eyebrows. And I'm going to curve underneath for one eye, curve the other side for the other eye. Okay. Dot, dot for the eyes. Okey-doke. And you can put a little zigzag over here on the edges of stuff because, you know, he's a furry cat. Draw a line out. It's going to be zigzag right there to make it look furry. Curve line here for the hand. And I'm going to draw a line here on this side. Go to this is the shoulder part of the arm, and we're going to the other side. Line over here. Out for the chest area. Curve right here for the chest, and I'm drawing a little zigzag again to make it, just kind of curved. I'm sorry, kind of curved to make it look like a texture of fur. Over here on the side, curve across for kind of the, I don't know what you call that, diaper or something. I'm not sure what you call the sumo wrestlers. Draw here for the rest of the hand, pull that line there. But it is some sort of garment that sumo wrestlers wear. It does look like a diaper though. It's gonna be rope across there. It looks like a belt, right? Like a fabric belt. Pulling down over here for the center area, the diaper part. Draw maybe a couple of lines here. Curve line out here for one leg. Down, leg's gonna be pretty short. Curve right here, here. Line underneath. Line over here. Curve right here for the hand. Line over here, line over here, line over here. Nail for the arm here. Line over here. Curve. Now, the only thing that's really missing about him is going to be one thing that's missing is going to be his other arm. And so I'm going to draw his arm over here. Could be two large bumps right there, kind of like the shoulder and then the forearm. Hand over here. Sorry, the finger. The thumb. Line for the claws. Out over here for the back claw. And you could even draw like one more right there. And yeah, maybe you can draw the palm a little bit. Let's draw the color differentiation. It's going to be on the stomach. So try to make it thinner if you can, and just draw a zigzaggy line over here for... He has this white spot sort of thing. He also has some stripes on the arms. You can, if you want to draw him, do it like this. Like zigzaggy, like that. Same thing over here on this far side. Just like a few. I'm just gonna draw like 4. You can't see those as strong, to be honest with him, because there's even one on his head. You can't see them as strong because it's a very, very faint, darker color. Line. Line for the inner ears. But really cool design, by the way. I do recommend you watch the movie. If you're a fan of the movie, please, please, please say hi in the comments. I want to know who it is. Say what's up, how's it going, blah, blah. And it lets me keep track. What last thing I'm going to do here is draw a thick line around the outside border. And the reason I'm going to do that is because it's really, you know, the reason I'm going to do that is because I am going to try to make it look more like a sticker. You know, I want to make it kind of contains the shapes to draw a thicker line. It doesn't have to be an extremely thick line, but it can be a subtly thick line. Right on. And that's it. Thank you so much. Don't forget, if you like learning how to draw anything, I go over like Sonic, I go over Godzilla, I go over dinosaurs, I go over anything you can think of. Anything you recommend, you can write it. But I go over so many things that I draw 3 drawing lessons for you every single day. So literally 3 lessons. They're all beginner lessons. They're all short. They're all like 8 minutes. But yeah, thank you so much. I appreciate it. If you like this sort of stuff, hit the subscribe. I didn't say that earlier. If the stuff I do here is worth your time. And if you want to help the channel out, you can by sharing a video. Just share it anywhere with a friend that you think might like it, or just share it on Twitter or Reddit or anything like that. There's an auto share button on the bottom right hand corner. Thank you so much. Stay positive, and I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, artists? See ya.
All right, and if you want to keep learning how to draw and keep pushing your skills, go right here to this video on here on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and it I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now. Another short video.